Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, my dear friends, today I'm going to share very beautiful 3 simple practices till the Valentine's Day, and you can attract your choice of love into your life very, very easily. Yes, my dear friends, those who are looking to get into the married life, or else you're already in love, but the other person, boy or girl, is not responding as you wanted, or else you have already got married, but your spouse is not giving you as much of love as you wanted. Then watch this video and practice these 3 techniques every single day up until Valentine's Day, and just get the complete love into your life. Okay, my dear friends. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Vardhani. I'm a law of attraction coach and a certified Hooponopono healer. Hooponopono, yes, my dear friends, that is opening your heart chakra beautifully. Yes. Yes, my dear friends, this month is February. That is the feminine month. That is sacral chakra. That is the beautiful love energy, feminine energy chakra. It's like when you fall in love with that, and you start receiving your manifestations. That is also one of the things. Okay, my dear friends, practice this. Number 1, practice the mirror practice every single day. What is that? You need to ask questions, going right in front of the mirror and asking questions. In this practice, you need hands. Hands. Why? Hand is the extension of your heart. Understand? Hands are extension of your heart. For 3 practices, you need hands. Okay? Beautiful. Practice number 1. Go and stand right in front of the mirror. Use your hands and touch your face. Why am I loving my hand, my face? I'm always getting hands. So why am I loving my face day after day? Why am I loving my face day after day after day? Why am I loving my eyes every single day, day after day? My love is increasing. Or else, why am I loving my hair? Why am I loving my body? Why am I loving my way of communication? Why am I loving every cell of my body? Just stand right in front of the mirror and just practice at least for 5 minutes. That's all. With your hands, touch the part and say why it is important. Yes, my dear friends, it is very, very important. Our heart chakra, or the opinion about ourselves, has formed at the age of 4, where the heart chakra opens. We do not know how many times we compared ourselves with somebody, with friends or neighbors, and even we hurt our heart by comparing our own parents with others, with the physical appearance and everything. That is underneath the carpet. Like, we are not knowing how are we really feeling about ourselves. It's there in our subconscious mind, like under the carpet. When you go to if you have a carpet in your house, outside it looks nice. When you lift the carpet, everything will be dust, goes and settles under the carpet. So the same way, our subconscious mind keeps everything from the age of 0 to 7 years. 4th is the heart chakra age. That is the time subconscious mind gathers all the information, keeps and makes the forms of opinion about yourself. These questions: why am I looking beautiful? Why my face is so beautiful? Why am I loving my face day after day after day after day? That goes and settles under the carpet. You see the difference, my dear friends. You see the difference. Touch with your hand, and hand again is the extension of your heart. This goes and imprints underneath in the subconscious mind. Next, number 2. That's so beautiful. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Have you seen some kind of energy coming? And you keep your hands on your heart. Yes. Again, rub your hands, get the warmth of energy. Look at that. Yeah. Keep on your hands and say, close your eyes. Observe some kind of energy is going, coming back and forth, back and forth. That's the energy you are speaking to your heart, and say, every single day. Don't forget that. That rubbing, keeping, and say, I love you. Say your name. See, for example, I love you, Vardhani. I love you, Vardhani. I love you, Vardhani. See, like that. You say your name for at least 3 times. 3 times, each time 3 times. 3 times in a day, each time, morning 3 times, afternoon 3 times, and night 3 times. That's all. Okay. Number 3, it's an interesting, super interesting. Go and hug. Hug if you are not married. Go and hug your parents, mommy, daddy, brother, sister, anything, or else your pet. Okay, hug your every single day 3 times. That is also 3 times. 3 times in a day. Okay, go hug anyone like your parent and your brother, sister, or your friend. So with that, we are all animals, my dear friends, half animals. We need to touch through the body touch only. Serotonin, that is the happy hormone releases, which will transform our appearance and it looks so beautiful, believe me. And if you have already married, hug your husband. Hug your husband, even though he is very, very angry. Just hug and hold for some time. Let him know your heart. See the difference. Yes, my dear friends, do this, and these beautiful, amazing techniques will open your heart chakra and will make your life super lovable. Everything is love. There is only love in this universe. Love connects. Love is a glue. Understand that. Follow this and see and write in the comments. Okay. If you want to know more about this Hoponopono, in how we can use everything in deep way in the relationships and career, money, and everything, overall happiness in your life, joyful life, please come to my free Hoponopono sessions that is on 26th and 27th of February. Details are given in the description box below. You join my group and enjoy, grab the knowledge. Knowledge is power, my dear friends. If you are happy, know the knowledge and change your life with the love. Okay. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See you in my free sessions.